everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Namecheap username. First step is to open your browser. Here I'm in Google Chrome. Now go to the website of this Namecheap, which is namecheap.com, and after that you can see this homepage like this. And make sure to log into your account, and after you log in you can see your username with a human icon here on the top navigation bar, and if you hover your mouse there you can see option here profile. Click on it. Now here you can see your username and you can also see when it was last updated. And beside this username option you cannot see the edit option, as the Namecheap does not allow you to change your username. But if you want to change your email address, you can click here and change your email address. So the only way to change your username in Namecheap account is that you have to create a new account, and there you can put your username as you desire on that new account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, do not forget to mention it down below in the comment section. I'll surely get back to you. Thank you.